Hey Ryan, can you tell me about paid social?
Yeah, so paid social media are ads that run on your favorite social media platforms. We're talking Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, any of the social media platforms. And what's cool about social media is because we interact with things that we're interested in, the social media programs kind of know some things about us. They're like, oh, that person loves fishing. I get fishing videos all the time because I love fly fishing. And so if someone's selling fly fishing gear, they would target it towards people who interact with those kinds of videos, and then I would see their gear being sold on whatever social media platform I'm on. So paid social is really cool because you can pick those targets and you can say, okay, this is a great way to do it. For local companies, it's also a great way to generate leads because you can use videos that show what you do and then say, hey, if this applies to you, fill out this little form, and it's really easy to click fill out the form, and it sends a lead to the company, and then the company it's up to them to call and follow up and do that. But we use that in RoofMax, and it works awesome. Paid social media is one of our best tools.